Alright, Eddie got a Traxxas. Pretty cool. I really love it actually. Officially licensed. The reason I got this is because I didn't want just a little tiny freaking just a little tiny thing that can't go anywhere really. But this one is bigger than the 1/8 scale Sen Racing Ford Rally 1 Puma or whatever the heck it is. An inch longer and an inch wider. And this is a 10th scale. And it freaking rips now because I didn't even power it up with the stock electronics. I took that out as soon as I got it and put my Mojave system in that I took out when I got that one. So now we got the Mojave 6S system in here. Show you what I got. Put this down here. I've had this since the 17th of December, so I've been trying to throw together a good video because I freaking finally got a computer that works, and I'm trying to make a good video for everybody that is edited and has all cool stuff on it, but that could be a while because I'm a rookie. So we're just going to do another unedited version, I guess, here so you can check this baby out. 6S. All the old stock electronics that were in here I pulled out, and all the holes that were there I used for this system perfectly. Didn't have to cannibalize anything. 6S battery, can't put a full 6S battery in there because there's little foam pieces and stuff in there, and I don't want to tear that out just yet, but I got a 3000 milliamp 6S battery in there for now, and it rocks. And we tape the body and all that good stuff like I always do, but now that I raised the battery compartment up, I raise it up on both ends. Now the that portion just barely snaps together. I have to help it snap together, but whatever. Let's get to it. Sick of me blah 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 and see some action. It's below freezing here, so ooh. It does, I did 68 with it on a 25-degree temperature day, and I tried going around the corner with it also going 68, and we wiped out. So whoops. Alright, and I'm pretty sure I can do backflips. Oh, that damn thing. Pretty sure I can do backflips off the ramp, so I don't want to kill it. This is the first time I tried doing this crap. Yeah, pretty sure I can get a backflip off of that. We'll go light first. We'll do a light one. I think my body's coming off already. Yep. Backflip. Backflip time. Oh. That was my bad because I stopped halfway through. I didn't think I was going to make it. Backflip. Alright, enough of that. Whoop. Body issues. That's one bad thing about the whole clipless thing. It looks really cool, but not made for jumping at all. And if you're wondering why I got this dang thing on here, it's because it's just a finishing the circuit for my antenna, because I unhooked that one and this piece unbroke from the solder and I soldered it back on and it doesn't work anymore, blah blah blah. So it's just a big solid freaking wire. Gyro. Turn that baby down a little bit. Coming in hot. Love it. Whoops. She's a rallying frickin' little animal. Oh, turn my gyro back up. That's why she's all over. I also changed gearing in here. I got mod 1 gearing, 40 tooth pinion, and a 13 tooth, 42 spur and a 13 tooth pinion. Freaking awesome. Super easy to work on too. Treat. Freaking jumps pretty good. Pretty sure rally car isn't made to go off jumps, but it can take it, I'm sure. Ooh, Kleenex. Still all hooked together. Holy crap, man. I gotta fix my body. Bastard. What the hell, man? Uh-oh.